The man behind All Valley Powder Coating in Phoenix, Arizona is all about the numbers. We'll find out how he turned struggle into triumph to get triple return on company growth with some head-turning strategies. He says the key to success lies in knowing your labor rate, rent, insurance, powder, utilities, employees, and more. That is, how much does it cost you to operate? And he's got that down to the minute. See how he costs out jobs, take a tour of his shop, and find out how to put extra cash in the bank when you implement his 3 cash collecting policies. We're making the most out of workflow in the next Powder Coater podcast. Get ready to level up your powder coater game.